Hello, my dear friends. I'm your host Anish. Today, we are going to learn a simple trick from the adjustment level that can change ordinary image to something more attractive. So, let's get started. Let's check where we can get these adjustment level options. First, we can go to image adjustment, and here is a level. Now, I am changing the slider to show what happened when I click OK. Okay. Now, as you can see, this layer, the effect I applied totally, so we cannot change the adjustment layer, right? So the second option is we can right click and convert the smart object. So what happened when I converted the smart object? Let's check it out. Same process. Okay, now you can see this is a filter. When we double click on it, we get this layer, so we can edit again. We can redo this, right? Now we can have another option is adjustment layer. From here, click on it and we can give this level. Here it is, right? So the main as you can see, this image, it is blue tone and it is look like night or evening time, right? So one click and it changed this whole scenario. We can adjust with the bit tone and highlight as per your requirement. As you can see the difference. It's done to daytime. With the small changes, you can change any images. I'll do. This is what happened when you change the shadow, and this happened. I'll change back to this normal and change this midtone. Like, okay, now it's better, right? So you can see the difference. We can change manually also. Yeah. All right. You can either go with this long process, or you can just click here and then click a pointer and select it. You get your result like this. It's very simple, right? You can also do it with any images, and I'll show you another images also. So I'll select another images. I already taken two image, so just select it and open. So these are the two images what I have selected or I have downloaded. Now I'm doing the same process, and you can select a point. Now let's change the midtone and highlight, and if you need a shadow, right? All right, now you can see the difference. It changed with a one click. The look has been so much beautiful. Now take another look on another images. Same process and click. Boom, it's changed, right? It's look beautiful. Let's do some minor changes in midtone and you get this final images. Right. Very simple, right? Now, as I said, you can do in any image. Now next time you don't have to manually set this all the problem. You have to just click in one and you get the result. Thank you.